This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique I use to replace the seat in an old bench. So here we have a bench that has the cast ends. You can see the boards failed in the middle. What I bought to replace them with is some regular 5/4 deck boards. I'm going to take these things, cut them to the 48-inch length we have here, rip them to the 2.5 inches, and then just use some galvanized 1/4-inch bolts to put them into place where these broken boards are. And the hot chick who owns this thing will have a bench that can hold a couple of people and a kid here shortly. So my slat removal technique is to take this Milwaukee grinder with a cutoff wheel. I go to each of the nuts, knock the chunk off, and I'll just take a hammer, whack the remaining chunk, and they'll fall out of there in no time. When assembling the slats to the bench, I found it easy to just stand the bench on end, and then I'm putting in these up here first. I just kind of hold the slat there and I eyeball it and drill a 1/4-inch hole, and then I'm using carriage bolts that are galvanized 1/4 inch by 2 inch with a washer and a nut then on the back. To ease assembly, I took this ratchet strap, just wrapped it around there, pulled it taut, then I was able to come up here and drill the holes and put the hardware in on the top side. The finishing touch was to put this metal strap on that came from the old chair. I just went to my trusty dusty Harbor Freight sheet metal screw collection, grabbed some 3/4 inch screws right here that happened to fit through the existing hole. I installed them on the bench. Now the bench is ready for action. So it seems using this 1.5 inch softwood does the job where the 1 inch hardwood had been before. It's cost effective, easy to cut, easy to drill and screw, and that's the story. Have a great night.